channel. My name is Vivian. If you're new, I do all kinds of videos on fashion, beauty tutorials, doggy videos, vlogs, try-on videos, hauls, all kinds of things. So if you're into all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Elvis is here with me today. He's helping me film this video. He's been so awesome and helpful and sweet. As you guys know from my last video I posted all about Claude. It's been a rough few weeks, so hopefully we're kind of back up and less emotional. It's been rough. But anyway, so he's been just an awesome little friend. Also, if you've noticed, I went and got my hair chopped. I got almost 4 inches cut off. I got it colored. I needed a refresh. Like I said, it's been a rough go. And so that's, if you're noticing, I don't know, but if you're noticing something different, that's what's different on me. So I just needed that desperately. So also thank you to all of you who wrote some amazing comments on my video about Claude, and just the support that I knew you guys would give and the love just really kind of like warms my heart and just helps me through the whole process, and knowing so many of you have gone through the same thing, if not worse. And it just, this community is amazing, and I love just how we love and support each other, and we're so positive. And so thank you again so much to all of you who commented, and if you didn't comment and watch the video, thank you to you. Thank you to all of you so much. So hopefully this will be a much more lighthearted and better video this time. So let's just get into it. This is my Stitch Fix unboxing, try on, review, whatever you want to call it. I have tried everything on. I'll be trying on everything on right here next to me, so make sure you leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought of each of these items, or if you've received these items in your fix. If you're new to Stitch Fix and are interested in learning more, I will leave my referral link down below. It'll give you all the information, what it costs, how easy it is, how much fun it is. It's really, really easy. So if you're interested in that, there'll be a referral link below and you can find out more about it. Are you ready? Are you ready for dessert? I can't talk like that. Sometimes he thinks he's going somewhere if I get like overly excited about something. So let's just jump right in. The first item are these jeans, which, let me tell you guys, the fit on these is amazing. So they're right here. These are by Just Black, and these are the Grace High Rise Super Skinny Jean in navy, 4P, and the price is $78. So the fit is amazing. The price is amazing. I'm just not a fan of the navy color. I'm more into, like, you know, maybe, if anything, maybe a lighter wash or a super dark wash, just in a regular jean denim color or something like this. I was kind of like trying to figure out what I would wear these with, and I only could come up with a few things, and I kind of just need my jeans to be more versatile. But otherwise I would have kept these, and I'll let you guys know at the end of the video what I did keep, if anything, and what I paid. So you're not left hanging. These are super stretchy, so comfortable. As soon as I put them on, I'm like, oh, I love these. I love these. I just don't love the color. And on camera, they don't look as bad, but they're just a little too bluish in terms of the hue for me, but it's kind of hard to see on camera. But they're super plain, super simple, no distressing, just a tight, skinny jean. But I think the fit is great. I'm into high-rise totally now. If I could exchange all my low-rise jeans for high-rise, I would do it in a heartbeat. So Michelle, if you're watching, she's my stylist, keep sending these. I just want to find the exact right pair, because I do have a ton of jeans. I don't need jeans, but I do love the high-rise, and I kind of want to get to where most of my jeans are high-rise. I still am sick, so pardon my nasally voice and my stuffed up nose here, but we will get through. So anyway, so that's these, and they're awesome. And if you guys know if they come in a different color, leave me a comment down below too and let me know. But I'm going to see if just through Stitch Fix I can exchange them. If not, I can probably just look online and maybe find these somewhere. But I don't know if Just Black, I don't think they're specific to Stitch Fix, but it might be a Stitch Fix exclusive, it says here, so who knows. But these are nice, and if you don't mind the navy blue color, these are awesome. You need these, and the price is right. Okay, the next item I really, really like. This is, okay, the Artie Style Stella Mock Neck Faux Suede Elbow pullover in off-white, size medium, $68. So not bad for a sweater for being $68. The best part about this sweater are these suede patches, and they kind of got a little pattern to them, so they're pretty cool. I don't mind the mock turtleneck. It's actually something different that I don't have in any of my other sweaters. A little bit of a high-low, a little bit cropped, not horrible. It's just your average size sweater. It's just not oversized, you know, like we're kind of all used to. So that's the only thing that I'm like, I wish it was maybe a little bit longer, but then again, I don't want things to look too oversized and boxy for me. I'm debating on this one, but I really, like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cream colored sweaters. They're all different. So I don't have anything with a patch or anything like this, but do I really need another cream sweater? Probably not. But I do like it. I think the price is right. I think it's cute. I think it's a little different, which is what I'm looking for when I purchase things now. Is just, you know, is it different? Is it unique? Is it something I really want? Or is it something I really need? You know, those type of things. So it's cute. You know, I'm kind of on the fence about this one. Let me know what you guys think. This item is by Tart, and it's the Ornella scoop neck pullover in burnt orange, size medium, for $58. The price is okay. It's a very, very lightweight, soft, really nice sweater. So it's not a knit, it's a sweater. So I like that. I love the color. I had asked Michelle to send me some like rust sweater or burnt orange sweater, so she came through a little bit on this one. I don't know if I'm a fan of the stripes being horizontal, but it doesn't look bad. Once I put it on, I was like, okay, this isn't so bad. The only problem I have with this is I love the sizing, like from here to here and from here to here. I think it fits well. Little bit of a high-low maybe, but the length of the arms are just way too oversized for me. And with this being kind of flowy and light, I don't like the way it looks with the sleeves kind of cuffed, because I do that a lot because I know I'm smaller. So just a burden we have to deal with when you're a little bit more petite. But so yeah, I just don't like the way that looks. So I'm 99% sure I'm sending this one back, but overall I do like it. I just think the sleeves are just a little too oversized for me. Super soft. I think it's a little bit unique. I like the color for fall and winter. I think it's pretty. You know, it's kind of got this oatmeal-y color here, and then this is really a burnt orange color up here. So just a little crew neck. I think it fits great otherwise, but the sleeves, way too long. This next item is by 41 Hawthorne. It's the Artpace Paisley Burnout Printed Velvet top in burgundy, size medium, for $54. I really was thinking, like, yes, I'm going to keep this. I have to have this for the holidays. It's really, really pretty. But I only have 2 holiday parties, and honestly, I know this is lined and everything, but I can't wear this now. It is like 30 degrees out, 20. Even it being inside, I would need some sort of like sweater or something to wear over it, and I hate that look. It's kind of granny to me when you have something like this and then you put like a cardigan over top. I'm not a big fan of that look, even though I do it and I've done it. But other than that, I don't think I'd wear this anymore this year, and other than that, I don't need it. But it is really, really pretty, and I think the fit is awesome. It's not too tight, it's not too big, it's unique. I love the velvet. It's super comfy. I don't know, I'm still on the fence, but I just don't think I would wear this to my upcoming 2 parties that I have left. We'll see. I don't know. I always kind of go back and forth. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's super pretty. And I think I've pinned this, so I know I love it. I just don't know that I get a whole lot of wear out of it. And for $54, you know, do I really need another little, you know, cami type top? So, but it is really, really cute. Okay, so the last item is this black sweater dress, and this is Fortune & Ivy, the Caressa Keyhole Hachi Knit Dress in black, size small, for $48. The price is amazing. It even has pockets, you guys. Both sides. Love that. But it is definitely a sweater. I don't know if you guys can see that. I love this keyhole opening here. I think the fit is really nice. It is a little hard to get over my head. I don't think I have that big of a head, but it doesn't stretch a ton, but it's super, super soft, like super soft. Love it. I think the length is great. Do I need another black dress? Probably not. I think I have 3. But this one is different, and I know I'd get a ton of use out of it, and the price is awesome. And like I said, it is super soft and cozy. I could see me wearing this with some tights, some boots, maybe some over-the-knee gray boots I think would be cute. So I think it's super versatile. I could totally see wearing this to a holiday party, and maybe dressing it up with some accessories, maybe a belt or whatever. So I think this one might be a contender. So we'll see. You'll find out at the end of the video, but I really, really like it. Let me know what you guys think about that. That is everything in my Stitch Fix box this month. The subtotal is $306 with the buy 5 discount and another credit. My order total, if I kept everything, would be $204.50. Awesome price. I don't think that's bad at all. I just know that I don't need everything, and I won't be keeping everything. But I think the pricing is really, really good. There's nothing in this fix over 80 bucks, so that's a plus. Anyway, that is everything in my fix, you guys. Let me know what you guys thought about this by giving me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. Leave me a comment down below, and of course, if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and then you won't miss out on my next videos. I have a couple videos coming up, some fashion, some houseware stuff, so hopefully, if I can get those done, I will be uploading in the next few weeks. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment bar as always. And again, thank you so much for all your love and support. Always appreciate it. Love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye!